Fifth question is about factors, how to do prime factors, how to do normal factors, and how these factors can be used to determine whether a particular number is a perfect square or not. So sixth question, A part says express 792 as a product of prime numbers in index form. And definition of prime number is the prime numbers are those numbers which can be only divisible by itself. It can't be divisible by any other number except 1. Like 2 is only divisible by 2, 3 is divisible by 3, same as 5, but 6 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 6, 2 and 3 as well. So that's the definition of prime numbers. And in this case we already know that in the case of doing factors, we start with the very lowest one, and if 792 is here, we start with 2, as 2 is a prime number. So if we put factor of 2, then the remainder will be 396. We can use another 2, so the remainder will be 198. We can use another 2, then remainder will be 99. Now we need to change the prime number, and the next prime number on the line is 3, and if we use 3, then the remainder is 33. We can use one more 3, so then the remainder will be 11, and 11 is the number which is not divisible by any other number, so 11 is a prime number as well, so we can use 11, which makes it 1. So the product of prime numbers of 792 is, so 792 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 11, and that's your answer. Now B part says explain why 18 is not a perfect square. In order to do that, we need to do again the factors. So if we do the factors of 18, it will be, start with again the lowest 2, the remainder will be 9, then 3, the remainder will be 3, and then finally again 3, and remainder will be 1. So therefore 18 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3. In order to get perfect square, the factors of a particular number should be in the pairs of each other. Like here in the case of 18, 3 times 3 is a perfect pair, and in order to get perfect square, every factor in the number should be a pair of each other, but in this case 3 times 3 is a pair but 2 is not. So in order to do the squaring thing, then it will become 3 square root of 2, as if you square them, then it will show you 3 square times square root of 2 square. 3 square will give you 9 times, we know that root a times root a will give you value a. Therefore root 2 times square root of 2 gives you value of 2, so 9 times 2 is 18. So 3 square root of 2 whole square is not a perfect square, but we can give example of one perfect square, which is 36. First of all, factors of 36, start with 2, 18, then 2, 9, then 3 gives you 3, and finally another 3 gives you 1. So 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So here is a perfect pair and here is a perfect pair as well, which means 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and we know 6 square is 36, which is perfect square. That is the reason 18 is not a perfect square.